4.4 million views. 4.1 million views. Another video at over 1 million views. And that's not even the craziest part. There are dozens more pulling in hundreds of thousands of views every single time. All from one simple idea: snow survival videos. People literally can't stop watching them. Now look at this. This channel, Family Adven, has posted just 39 videos and already hit 47.9 thousand subscribers. That's insane. And the money? This channel is estimated to earn anywhere from $933 to $15,000 per month, which adds up to $4,100 to $66,000 a year from videos like the one that was uploaded today. So here's the deal. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these same types of videos step by step using 100% free AI tools. No experience, no camera, no fancy editing skills. Let's watch together video just created.
A lone camper walks slowly into a quiet mountain hollow as soft, endless snowfall drifts through the air, boots compressing snow with gentle crunches, while fabric and breath move calmly, and begins setting up a large canvas bell tent, thick fabric unfurling, and poles fitting together with muted wooden sounds as snow taps softly against everything. Firewood is gathered carefully, twigs snapping low and slow, then stacked beside a small fire pit where a spark catches and a steady, comforting fire begins to crackle beneath falling snow.
But real quick, subscribe to the channel because you do not want to miss what's coming next. Let's get started. Step 1, idea generation. This is where the magic starts. First, open up your prompt file. Inside that file, you'll see your first prompt. Copy it exactly as it is. Now open ChatGPT, paste that prompt in, and hit generate. Boom. Just like that, ChatGPT spits out multiple video ideas. Not random ideas. Ideas that are designed to perform, grab attention, and keep viewers watching. Now here's the key part. You don't stop there. You look through those ideas and choose one topic that stands out to you. The one that feels exciting, visual, and clickable. Once you've picked it, go back to your prompt file and copy the second prompt. Paste that into ChatGPT, add the topic you just chose, and hit generate again. And just like that, you now have a full voiceover script ready to go. No writing, no rewriting, no creative burnout. Copy your voiceover script, open ElevenLabs, choose a clear, natural voice, paste the script, and hit generate. In seconds, ElevenLabs creates a professional-sounding AI voiceover ready to use. Next, we're thinking visually. Copy the last prompt from your prompt file, the one designed for visual generation, and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt will give you detailed visual descriptions for every scene of your video, perfectly matched to your script. At this point, you've got your idea, your voiceover, and your visual plan. Step 2, generating the video. Now comes the fun part, actually turning all of this into a video. Take the first visual prompt you just generated and copy it, then open Flow. Once you're inside Flow, click New Project, choose Text to Video, and make sure you select Landscape. This is important for YouTube. Now paste your prompt in and hit Generate. Give it a moment. Boom! Your first video clip is done. Now repeat the exact same process. Copy the second visual prompt, paste it into Flow, hit Generate, and your second clip is ready. Keep doing this for each prompt until you've generated all the clips for your video. No filming, no camera, no editing skills required, just prompts and clicks. Step 3, combine your clips. Now it's time to bring everything together. Take all the clips you generated and drop them into the timeline. Arrange them in order, exactly how your script flows. Once they're lined up, add smooth transitions between each clip so everything feels clean and professional. Next, add your voiceover, the one you generated earlier. As soon as that voiceover is in place, the video suddenly feels alive, like a real high-quality YouTube upload. When everything looks good, hit export, and that's it. Simple, easy, monetizable content that you can scale.